I was going to do 3, so I'm going to do it now.
Hey.
It's about ADHD, it's about being indigo, and it's maybe a cry to friends alike to not kill yourselves. It's kind of old me talking to young me, is what it is. It's called Thunderchild. Troubled soul rumbled like thunder as a child. Indigo lightning bolt sent his mind's wiring wild. Explosive on urges due to these immeasurable surges and a lack of patience. Searching for stimulation, lurching through insane and mundane situations. Intense strength in the physical world was the result of this immense energy. A healthy fear from early terror and warrior family pedigree. He wondered what had forsaken him. It's what one does before an awakening. Why did life seem so simple for so many? Average Joes making dough, he only made pennies. People so happy doing boring shit. And who on earth was God? Was this really it? Why did people turn up every day to jobs, get a trade, go to college? Fuck off, Average Bob. Why did conventions grind and the built world stink? Deep down he knew why. He always felt tension inside, but his mind wasn't ready to think. He looked out for the answers in every possible place, only to find himself in a meaningless race, when all of the clues were stored behind his face like maps of space from an ancient place. Thunderchild, be strong. The world can be yours. Thunderchild, open your mind. A wealth of knowledge is inside. Old souls already know, but new brains need decades to grow. They are relatively rare. They must develop with care. It's all there for old souls with time. Take care until you become aware in your prime. Don't implode, fade, or prematurely die. Harness the indigo lightning from our cosmic mother. Let it flow with your born gifted soul contracted sisters and brothers. Enlightenment is your entitlement. What lies in front is cause for excitement. Drop your anxiety as a priority. Summon your inner djinn. Remember, we invented rules and authority for control. Be exploratory of what you uncover from within. Don't be afraid to explore your soul. Break the mold from the inside out. Find your indigo light, pull it out. Shine it on those who are in need. Inspire those who want to be free. One day, when your spirit is lifted and physical life is ending, the information will be re-encrypted for a new brain in the process of transcending. And so it goes again and again, like nature's great soul train. Indigo lightning laced with pain. Shimmering light through crystal rain, refracting rainbows as we grow again. Taran blentyn, bydd gryf ar byd fydd yn eiddo I ti. Taran blentyn, cadw meddwl agored a chwilio am y gwybodaeth hollbwysig tu fewn. Thanks very much.